Are unassigned channel groups causing confusing GA4 reporting? In this video, we'll talk about what channel groups are and how to set up custom channel groups so you can get the most accurate information on how people are getting to your website. Stay tuned to the end so that you can see how we can also update this in your native GA4 reporting. So what are channel groups? In Google Analytics, channels are the broadest category of traffic sources, with some of the most common ones including things like organic search, paid search, and direct traffic. GA4 uses a rule-based system to assign different traffic sources to the proper channel. And while it's much more comprehensive than Universal Analytics was, it's still common for at least some traffic sources to get mistagged or misattributed. And that's where custom channel groups come in. To create the custom channel group that works best for you, log into your GA4 property and then go to the Reports tab, and then under Acquisition, we'll go to Traffic Acquisition Session Default Group. And the easiest place for most of us to start will be by looking at any traffic that's listed as unassigned, but should actually belong to a different channel. And so to do that, we'll start off by filtering for unassigned, and then we'll add a secondary dimension here for session source and medium so that we can see what traffic is living under unassigned. And in this case, we have a lot of not set and null since this traffic is generated by a robot, but we do see that there is some sharesale.com affiliate data and SAS affiliate data that in a real life situation should be bucketed under affiliate traffic. So to do that, we can fix this by using a custom channel group, and we'll go to the admin tab to set that up. And then we'll go to data settings and channel groups. And then we'll create a new channel group right here, and it'll start us off with all of the default settings. So we'll go to affiliate and we'll just build on top of this. And the first rule will be default channel group matches exactly affiliates. So we'll just add an or condition. And so we'll say, or the medium matches affiliates. And in this case, we're doing that just because that's exactly what our medium is right here. So you can adjust this to fit your own use case, and then we'll hit apply right there, and we'll leave the channel name as affiliates, and then we'll just name this group custom channel group, and then we'll save it. And so now we have a custom channel group right here. So the next step would be for us to fix this in our reporting, because if we go back to reports over here and we go back to the session default channel group, nothing's changed. We still have all of our unassigned traffic living in the same spot. So what we can do is click the pencil icon up here to customize the report. And we'll go to this dimension section right here, since our custom channel group was created as a new dimension. And first, I happen to just have this archive dimension here, and I'm just going to get rid of that because it won't let me save that if that's in the report. And I can also see that the custom channel group dimension is living right here. So in case yours isn't showing up there for whatever reason, you can also just search for it and it should appear under traffic source. So if you're working with a session report, just make sure that you're using a session custom channel group. And if you're working with a user report, then use the user version. So in this case, since this is a session channel group report, I'm going to use our session custom channel group, and I will set this as our new default, and I'm just going to move that to the top there. And in order for it to stick there, we'll hit apply, and then you can either save this to a new report or save it to the current report. So in this case, we'll just save it to the current one, and then we'll go back. And so now we can see that our custom channel group is the primary or the default dimension here. And so if I go back to unassigned, then we'll open up the source and medium, and the share sale traffic should no longer be there. And just like that, we can see that our share sale traffic has been moved out the unassigned channel group, and it's now under affiliate. So if we search for affiliates, then we should see those two show up there. So that's a quick look at how to set up custom channel groups in GA4. I hope you found this useful. And if you did, go ahead and check out some other videos and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching.